the sycamore tree. Dream a little dream of me. Sit nighty night and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you miss me. While I'm alone and blue as can be, dream a little dream of me. So hard instead of tender, and life is just an echo. I remember yellow.
If I don't get stoked on this drive,
Yellow day.
God's with me. So heavy.
And now that you took that part, and that is my heart. It's the good life. Don't try to fake romance. If there's a chance for me, then I don't care. You knew just what I was there for. You heard me say a prayer for.
Alright, so I'm in Philly right now. There seems to be some fire truck causing all this traffic. Been stuck here trying to cross this light for like 20 minutes now. School bus is just going nuts. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for subscribing and keeping with me. It's been rough, you know. I'm almost at 100 subscribers though. I'm stoked. Woo! Organic lifestyle. D-bag. Carnage. Alright, so I'm blocking this intersection right now. They're not going to be stoked once that light turns green. Oh, it's green. I'm boned. Yeah, this guy's coming at me. I don't know what he's going to do. I'm being such a jabroni right now. Oh, he wants to ram me, huh? Maybe if these kooks would just inch up a bit. Oh, man, so brutal. I don't know what you want me to do, Matt. Don't know what you want me to do, Matt. No, I just got in a car accident. Rear-ended someone. My first car accident ever. Alright, so that happened last night. First car accident. I was coming off the Walt Whitman Bridge in the left lane, and this nice lady, hit her brakes. And I had to slam on mine, and I skidded and rear-ended her really happy no one got hurt. The whole situation was actually pretty mellow, so I just have to deal with fixing the Camry now, so stay tuned for that. Thanks guys, really stoked no one got hurt, and I blew it.